Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 cursor jumps or moves randomly while typing. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click keyboard, click Update driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Click and expand mice and other pointing devices, right-click mouse, click Update driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Mouse. Click Pointer Options, uncheck Hide Pointer while typing. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Pointer Options, uncheck Enhance Pointer Precision. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.